Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to make the Viking. I've made a little bit of research, and even if I didn't find anything regarding the history of the drink, the specs are all over the place and there are many different recipes with the same name that call for a completely different ingredient. However, I decided to use a recipe that calls for Calvados as the main ingredient. So let's not waste more time and start with the drink. We take our shaker, and into the shaker we're gonna add 2.5 ounces or 75 ml of Calvados. Calvados is a French apple brandy. Okay. 2.5 ounces or 75 ml. Then the recipe calls for 30 ml or 1 ounce of Grenadine. After that, we're gonna add 15 ml or half an ounce of Passoã, Passionfruit liqueur. Smells quite good. And also 75 ml or 2.5 ounces of cranberry juice. And the recipe also calls for 3/4 of a lime. I try to cut it in wedges. Okay, so we have the lime. Okay, should be careful not to make myself super dirty. So I basically squeeze the lime juice and drop. Okay, so 3/4 of a lime. We add ice. And we're gonna shake it. I'm not sure my glass is big enough, but hopefully we just dump everything. Okay. I will add the rest of the lime to give more color. And that is how we make the Viking. Let's give it a try. Next time I will probably strain the drink, since the small bits of ice are a bit bothering, but it's a really fruity and nice drink. The main or the dominant flavors for me are the one of the passion fruit and the Calvados, and the sweetness of the Grenadine really helps a lot. I was quite uncertain what to expect with this drink, but I have to say it tastes really good. And I know many people associate Calvados and Applejack with the colder part of the year, but considering the fruitness from the passion fruit liqueur and the rest of the ingredients, I think that could go very well for the summer days as well. It's really refreshing, and you can even shake it and then double strain over crushed ice. Whatever you choose, I think it's suitable for any day of the year. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers everyone. Nice.